Hey guys, Bridget here. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the top Figma plugins out there. Now, as you may know, I'm a big fan of plugins simply because they can save you so much time in certain scenarios, and they're easy and for the very most part free. And all the ones which I'm going to show you in this video are all available for free directly on the Figma website. And if you haven't checked it out, there's an entire section which is the community section, which enables you to find all sorts of different plugins, but not only that, also UI kits, wireframes, design systems, and much more. So let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you right away what are the top Figma plugins for 2021 and moving forward in 2022.
All right. So we're back in Figma community, and as you can see over here, if you go under plugins, you're going to find pretty much an endless list of plugins. Now, of course, you can also search for them. So if I need to search for a specific one, you can see them right here. But one cool thing that I want to show you just before we go into the plugins is the fact that you can also browse through design systems, wireframes, UI kits, and much more. So definitely keep this in mind, because this is a gold mine in and of itself, this community aspect of Figma. Now let's go and let's start with the very first plugin, which I highly recommend you to download right now, and that is Unsplash. If you ever need some royalty-free photos right at your fingertips, this is a must-have in my opinion, and it's essentially a plugin which enables you to basically find royalty-free photos from the Unsplash library and add them directly into Figma. So really cool plugin. I use it all the time whenever I'm looking for photos, and so that I don't have to go into unsplash.com or other websites for finding photos, downloading the photo, grabbing it from the desktop or the downloads folder, putting it into Figma, and all that jazz. So that would be that. And the very next plugin which I highly recommend you to check out is Material Design Icons by Icons 8. Now Icons 8, you might already know this, it's quite a famous company when it comes to icons, and they also have another icon plugin. So this one is specifically for those of you that are looking to find material design icons. But if you click on Icons 8, you can also see that they have Icons 8 background remover, but even the Icons 8 plugin, which enables you to find icons from their library as well. So having both of those plugins can really work wonders in a lot of cases. So really cool, 190,000 plus icons and counting. So there's definitely a lot to choose from. Now, I'm sure that if you're a designer, you encountered this scenario where you had to remove a background. I mean, it's just something that happens once in a while, and especially if you're working on e-commerce or product-based businesses with physical products, you might need this could totally be a lifesaver in that case, and that is remove background. Now, this is the actual plugin. There is this website which I covered in a previous video, and enables you to upload the image directly, but you can do it immediately in Figma if you download this plugin. So definitely worth checking out. Now, another pretty cool plugin, pretty minimal, it's Charts. Now, as you can imagine, it allows you to generate charts. No wonder. So as you can see here, line, area, pie, donut, scatter, and bar charts. So really cool plugin for charts. Mapsicle. Have you ever been in a situation where you had to take a screenshot of Google Maps and upload it in your design? Well, with Mapsicle, you'll never have to do that again, because it enables you to find the locations in the map, and then you can create the map directly in Figma. So really cool plugin to check out. Now, the very last one is going to be Anima. And Anima, I already covered it extensively. It's it's a massive plugin, meaning that it enables you to do so much in so little time. It's really cool. So it enables you to create interactive and responsive prototypes, code, so quickly, create developer-friendly code, and collaborate in real time, and much more. Now, I'm not going to go through the entire plugin in this video. I have an entire video dedicated to Anima, and they recently launched Anima, I believe it's 5.0. So there's a lot going on these days, and it's one of the top plugins for Figma for sure. So definitely go and check it out. Now, hope this video was helpful. If you want to see and learn more about UI UX design, on my channel I have over 500 videos, so feel free to check them out, and I'll see you in the next one.